Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
On the occasion of the 66th SBI Day, they have handed over the check of rupees 70 lakhs rupees which they have contributed towards the oxygen tanker for the government of the Goa. Them personally, they have contributed their salary of the 1 day salary for the PM Care Fund, and they have donated to the PM Care under last pandemic. Today they have contributed for the Chief Minister Relief Fund in these pandemic conditions. And once again, congratulations for their progress in the state of Goa.
This is a small contribution from State Bank of India towards the people of Goa. And today we have contributed for the cost of oxygen tanker, 70 lakhs rupees. And our Chief Minister, sir, is doing great job in saving the life of the people. Also, we have contributed from our staff individually. They have contributed for this also.